Okay, I'm just going to show you how to upload a photo from your device. So if you are required to write a complete solution, you need to show all your steps for your quizzes or the test. If you will not receive full marks if you don't show all your steps. So let's say I'm going to go to the quiz and I'm going to do the sample test. So you will need to do this first before you can start the course. So the sample test gives you some idea of what kinds of questions you might get. So it might be a multiple choice. So I'm just going to put in, I think there's 2 solutions. The option with the even number. So this is just picking the right answer. So that would be that. This one is a matching. So C is the 3rd letter, A is the 1st letter, and B is the 2nd letter. Some of the questions are short answer, so all you have to do is write your answer. A lot of these are automatically corrected, but if you don't write it the same way that it's typed in, it might say it's wrong when it's actually right. I will go in after you write your quizzes and go through all the questions and give you the appropriate marks. So the answer is, let's see, we'd add 2, that's 3. So the answer is 3/5. So I might just say 3/5. This one's not coming up, so I might say 3/5, or which is 0.6. My iPad is not doing division for some reason, so I'm just going to put 0.6. Okay, or I might say x equals 0.6. Either answer is fine. I will, as I said, I will go through and look at it. Now, you may have to write your answer out. So you need to show a full solution. There's 2 ways you can do it. You will be given an answer box. You need to put your answer in the answer box. You cannot email me answers. It's really important that you don't use your regular keyboard. It is a math equation. You need to use proper mathematical form, and it's really hard to read your solution if you're using just a regular keyboard. So you can use a mathematical keyboard. If you see the plus sign, so to the top right of this answer box, I see a plus sign. If I click on that, it says equation. I click on that, and we're going to do the first one, graphical equation. So that allows me to use a math keyboard. So I'm going to type in the equation 3x plus 7 equals 2. There's brackets I can use. There's a bracket, and then 2x minus 1. So there's my equation. Oops, that was a 1. And then I'll just go to the next line and write the next thing. So the first thing I might do is expand brackets. Oops. So I might expand brackets, 3x plus 7. It is very easy to use. So 2 times 2x is 4x, and then minus 2. Then I'm going to go to the next line, and I might collect my variables to one side. So I'm going to add 2 to the left, and so on. And that will equal 4x minus 3x. So I'm writing all my steps, showing my work, okay? So this is a mathematical calculator. You'll see the square roots, there's fractions, there's exponents. We're going to do limits later. So you'll see here we have limit options. We have lots of different symbols we can use. So this is very useful for writing out solutions. So I will insert, and there is my solution, and it's easy for me to read when I'm marking it. Or you may want to upload a picture. So maybe I write my solution on a piece of paper and I take a picture. So I've written my solution on a piece of paper. I'm going to insert the picture. If you look at the little menu here left to the link, it's right here. So this is insert stuff. And you'll see I can insert something from my computer. So I'm going to find the file that I've saved on my computer, and I'm going to upload it. So my file is in my OneDrive, in my files, and it's right there. So I will click on it. And then I just press upload. So I want to overwrite the existing image because I already did it once. So it will ask me to label it. You want to put a label on it. So I'm going to put, this is the sample test, and I'm going to put question 5. So it's clear which question the solution is for, and then I'll just type it in again, sample test, and it's question 5. So you want to label it, and then insert. So now you'll see there's a picture of my solution written out, and it's easy for me to correct when I'm looking at your solutions. So that is how you upload either the equation editor where you can type in your solution, or you can upload a picture of your work, and that allows myself as the instructor that I can easily mark your solutions without wondering what it says, because just a reminder that the regular keyboard does not give good mathematical solutions. It's very confusing and it's very hard to read. Okay, so please try to use either an upload of your work or using equation editor.